guys, welcome to another Budgie Marx video. Today we're going to do Budgie to the Rescue Part 7 by me. Are you okay? Okay, I'm up. Let's go. Again. We'll buy an Xbox, the TV, a remote, the movie AirPods. Evil Budgie. Hey, get going. The flag is right there. Huh? Here we go. Huh? It's go time. Finally, a normal haul. Meow, 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 meow. But you will see about that. I'm number 1. Let's go. Huh? Let's go. Well, I'm in space. Huh? It's go time. There's a lot of fog. Ooh, more stuff. Oh, a fan. Yay, the fog is gone. Time to keep going. Less. Cloud monster, I'm going to cut you with my wind, Budgie. I don't think so. Boom. I'm number 1. Hey, wait, stop. To be continued. Well, that'll be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you please enjoy, like, subscribe, and share. Ring that bell for notification numbers for the content. See you guys in the next video. Bye.